everyone, this is the Triple Games Factory, okay, and this is Mr. Fu speaking, okay, and we have our very first winner for the Puzzle Bubbles game competition, okay, amazing, first time playing the game, and he's already scored 200,000 plus his score, okay, wow, this is wonderful, okay, so I can't wait to shake his hand and to present a YAC t-shirt to our hero and champion here today. Okay. Yes, okay, you can score more than the programmer. Okay, and he never used cheat codes. Oh my god. Okay. And instead of me maybe giving the gift, okay, and presenting the gift, okay, we will have my boss, okay, Dr. Chu, who will present. Okay. It's a video camera.
Okay, how do I just hold like this. Okay, can.
So
you give the.
Congratulations! Okay, you are truly a champion. I hope you enjoy your.
Expo, you want to let all your students take photo with you?
Please note that we will be having a career talk on the maritime career by the Singapore Maritime Academy.
All your students.
Speak your way to the convention center. In 5 minutes time. After the talk, we will be giving you dessert in the form of SB's very special oat chocolate. I repeat, the talk on the Singapore Maritime.
Your student.
All those who are keen, please join us now at the convention center. After the talk, we'll be giving you our dessert in the form of SP's own special chocolates. Thank you.
Smile. Yes.
Come. Okay, give me a cheer or something like that. Yeah.